Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert a table from one Google Docs document into another. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Chrome browser, then open your Google Docs app. Then go to the insert menu, go to the table and insert a table. Now I am first select the table and press Ctrl plus C on your keyboard. Then go to our Chrome browser new tab. Then go to the Google Docs. Now I am click the blank document. Then press Ctrl plus V on your keyboard. Here you can see our table are pasted. Now here we can see insert a table from one Google Docs document into another very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.